Alright, y'all, welcome back. It's Albert LaBelle, and the locks we got this time, alright? Cheer! A couple of these sad little things from my local, I think it's called the Dollar Tree. I don't know if y'all remember, if you're as old as I am, everything used to be $1 in that store, and now I don't think there's anything in the store that is $1. I'm not sure, but, you know, inflation, things are rough, times are hard, we might not get a Christmas card. So yeah, a couple of, let's see, 2-pack, 1.5 laminated steel padlock, vinyl protective bumper, tool bench, bada boom, bada bing, what do we got here? Case, hardened, steel, shackle, sturdy steel, something or other. I can barely read that. Heavy duty, laminated, yeah, we know all that. I'm trying to find, okay, right here. Made in China. That's what I was looking for. Alright, so let me grab my super shears. Well, I call them my super shears. Fiskars. Trusty skissers. Alright, so, let's see. Maybe we can just pop both of these and have a real satisfying time. Boom, lock that back up so I don't cut my finger off. And let's grab these bad boys. I'm going to take that and go boom, and this and go boom. Alright, so let's see if they're keyed differently first of all. Yes, but pretty darn close. Look at those keys. I'll tell you what, let's get one of each off of here. Let me see something here. Trying to see, okay, it does lock on both sides. That's what I was trying to check. Sometimes you can do that. You can just twist the shackle off and see if that side's locking, which it is. So they do lock both sides, but it is spring loaded, so we might attack that also. So what I want to check is, does this key for this lock, it doesn't have a number on it. All right, this key for that lock, does it open this lock even if we mess with it? Jiggle it. Nope. Alright, so that key for that one. That's key for this one. Let's get that off of there. Alright, so let's see if this key will pop this one just for the heck of it. Oh my God, it does. I knew they were close. So this one will open this lock that it came with. Okay? Remember that. And then this same key will open this lock. It's a little stiff, but it does work. But the key for this one does not open this lock. So let's see. Let me show you something. If you notice what's happening, that lump right there, let me grab my pokey poker. There we go. I'll tell you what, let me flip these around so I can use my right hand. I'm trying to put a background on there. So what we can see is they're damn near identical here and here and here, but not this one. But that second pin, so if we go from the outside in, 1, 2, 3, 4 pins, right? 4 cuts, 1, 2, 3, 4. This second one is just slightly off. You see what I'm saying? So damn near identical. So now I can't remember what key went to what. Let's see. This one goes to that. And this one. Let's see. This is, gosh, they're so damn close. I guess it doesn't matter, because we don't need no stinking keys, right? So let's lock these up. And let's go to town. Let's see what we got here. Oh, yeah, it's kind of backwards almost to the master lock, huh? Yeah. All right, let's see what we got here. This dude fit? Yeah. Let's see if we can't pop it. I'm just gonna grab, let's grab one of these Praxis for the heck of it. They're nice and thin. I think that fit. There we go. Boom. Locked. And not too much tension. Boom. I don't know about that. Yeah, I'm screwing this one up. Ah, there we go. A little crooked there. Boom. Overset. Let's try that one again. I was really crooked with the pick. Boom. Right here. Boom. I'm going in too crooked. Let's do that one again. All right, having fun. Set. Set. And set. There we go. All right, that was fun. All right, so let's try and attack these in a much quicker way, I think, with padlock shims. Yay! But we need some small suckers for this, because these are small diameter shackles. So I don't know what's going to fit in there. Need some little dudes. My shims are getting really old too, I'll tell you what. Real old. I need to get some, need to order some new ones. I mean, see, some of them are getting twisted up. I've had these things for years. So we just scoot these down on the side, twist them around, get that shackle, and bada boom, bada bing. We repeat with this lock. Slide them down, turn it around, and where'd that little guy go? Right here. Fit them in, spin it around, and whoop, spin it around, and little shackle up. So all we're doing with these shims, we're going down in there around that shackle and we're pushing back these spring-loaded locking pawls right there. Newer, better locks, these are not spring-loaded and you cannot push that thing back no matter how hard you try. So anyways, there you go. That's what you're going to get if you spend $5 for a pair of cheap locks at your local Dollar Tree. All right. So there it is. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I highly appreciate it. Remember, if you're not subscribed yet, you can, but you don't have to. I appreciate it either way. And have a good holiday coming up.